What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I got this video out just a little bit later than I ideally wanted to, but as you can see, we're in full-on Halloween mode in this vlog, and I'm just bringing you along for a week in my life vlog. It's also Red Ribbon Week at my girls' school, so it should be pretty eventful. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the truth. You're not here, I'm not the same. So I noticed that Raina was coming down with a cold later on that day, so I picked up some of my go-tos from the grocery store to doctor her up a little bit. So this is what me and the kiddos created for Trunk or Treat. Well, really I created it, but I did let them help with a few things like these flames. I didn't have this colored paper, and I also, at the time, I didn't have any vinyl for my Cricut machine, so I gave them all white pieces of like cardstock paper, and they got to paint it, and then we cut it out. So that was like a fun project for them. But anyway, let me just break it down really quick because it was so fun, such a fun project, and so easy. So we just got a couple boxes, so 2 medium-sized boxes here on both sides, and then 2 smaller boxes on here on both sides. And I just went to Walmart, guys. And then over here we used just some additional cardboard pieces. I cut them into 4 by 4 inches, and then I just hot glue gunned them together. I cut slits on the side of the boxes, stuck it inside, and then this is a cardboard piece. And then I did end up picking up some vinyl from Walmart, actually, because I went on a Sunday and Hobby Lobby was closed, which is my preferred place, and I used my Cricut machine to make that. And yeah, so this is the sign. The backdrop actually just came from Amazon last night, so I'm gonna just put that up really quickly. But while I'm on my lunch break, I just want to see what it looks like. Oh my God. So I just went to the garage to grab my backdrop stand, this thing, and then I saw that, and then I was like, oh my God, what is that? It's oh my God, that's a hornet's nest, because this stays in the garage, and sometimes we got garage door open. That is a whole hornet's nest. I'm scared to touch it. I'm gonna save that for when Ricky comes home so he can remove that, because I don't know. I'm putting that back in the garage, and I'm not gonna see what this looks like right now because I'm scared. Yes, I'm a chicken. And oh, that is like, it looks so gross. Yeah, I'm gonna have Ricky remove that when he comes home. I'm not messing with it. I'm putting this back in the garage. What time is it? Oh, Alexa, don't want to listen to that.
Mommy, look.
Excellent. It is S like 2940 78. Right. I don't know this new math. 1, 2, 3. That's the 3. 8 plus 3. But it's saying instead of thinking of it that way, if you have 10 bananas, but you have 11 monkeys.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Put it in your backpack. Praise the Lord. So the sun's being super annoying right now, but I'm actually headed to set up for trunk or treat at my daughter's school. I'm running a tiny bit behind schedule from what I wanted, but still doing good on time. I packed up the car and have everything ready. This week has been nothing like I expected. I have a lot of stuff going on in my life. We have a lot of new changes that have happened. So I definitely want to chat with you guys about that. But for now, we're gonna head to trunk or treat. I'm gonna bring you guys back with me. And now I'm about to turn this air conditioning back on because it's hot in here and I think it's too noisy to talk to you guys with the air. I'm starting to sweat, so talk to y'all soon. Okay, you guys, so look at these giant pumpkins that my sister ordered and had sent to my house. So every year, my daughters and I, we fly to DC and we go to the Harvest Festival. So for those of you who are new here, I'm originally from DC. So I love like just the Harvest Festivals at home. The weather starts to cool down. We go to Cox Farm usually and it's huge. They have like slides and things for the kids, the corn maze. They even have something at night for the teenagers. But anyway, I thought this was so cute, you guys. So she did an Instacart order and said, since you guys couldn't come to the pumpkin patch, we brought the pumpkin patch to you. But look at this. So we set the pumpkins on the floor when they first came in the house, and I heard a noise. I'm like, what is that? And I see the dog. He's staring at me right now. Look at this. Can y'all see that? I don't know. The dog started chewing on the pumpkin. Do you see that? These will be fun. It's heavy. Oh my gosh. Excuse me.